Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on network discovery on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on network discovery, click on Start menu, click on Settings, in left hand click on Network and Internet, and then click on Ethernet. Here the last option is Advanced Network Settings. Just click on Advanced Network Settings. Now click on Advanced Sharing Settings. Here the first option is Network Discovery, and you will find here three profiles. The current profile is Public Network, and network discovery is turned off by default. Just click here to turn it on. And if you want to turn on network discovery from your private profile, just click on the private profile and click here the network discovery to turn it on. In this way you can turn on network discovery on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.